Alright folks, I'm just going to make a bit of a salad bowl, pasta bowl, whatever you want to call it now. Last bit of clay of the day, so we'll get on and see how big it'll get. My wheel's not ideal for throwing big wide things because this is the slowest speed, a bit too fast, so just dive in, open it up, leave a bit of thickness at the bottom because I'm going to put it on a sort of foot. And then just lift it up and sort of flare it out a bit as I lift it. Better slow it down, I think. Make a bit of a pedestal base at the bottom just by squeezing it in a touch. And then simply me, the way I make bowls is I just do it like this and then just sort of stretch it out from the inside, and the clay just does what you want it to do because it's working with the centrifugal force and just wants to get wider. Keep stretching it. A little bit more, I think. That's about the right profile, just get it a little bit shallower. I'll just roll the rim over a touch. Just fold it over slowly. A little bit more and then that'll be it, I think. So that's it. I mean, somehow I just think bowls are dead easy to make because you're not fighting the wheel. The clay just seems to want to go where it wants to go naturally, which is outwards really. So if you've got a slow enough wheel, I mean that's as slow as mine gets, so it's probably about the limit to the size I can make one, which is about, I don't know, maybe 15 inches wide. But other than that, it's just make a bit of a tube, cylinder, and then just stretch it out really, taking it nice and slowly. So that's that done folks, just a bit of quite a wide pasta bowl, salad bowl, that's it.